Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we will write the words in the correct column. First of all, we will read how many vowels are there in each word. If there is one vowel in a word, we will write under short sound. Under short sound. If there are two vowels in a word, we will write under long sound. So children, get your pencil and your activity book and let's start. Ready children? Yeah, how many vowels are there? Only one vowel. So we mark it with smile. Now we will say its sound because one vowel. R, a, ra, r, a, ra, t, rat. We will write under short sound. R, r, a, t, rat. Okay, next. How many vowels? Only one vowel. Mark it with smile. S, o, saw, s, o, sock, sock. Again, we will write under short sound. S, o, saw, k, sock. Now next. How many vowels are here? Only one vowel. Smile. T, a, te, t, a, te, n, ten, ten. We will write under short sound. T, a, n, ten. Now next, we will read here. Oh, here there are two vowels, I and E. Why I am reading I? Because it is long sound, two vowels, dash and slash. M, I, M, I. Here one vowel, so I read A. Here I am reading I and E. E is silent. M, M, M. I, my, L, mile. So we will write under long sound. We will write over here. M, I, L, mile. Now here we will see here there are two vowels. Here there are two vowels. A and E. R, A, re, re, t, rate. We will write under long sounds. R, A, re, t, rate. Mile, rate. Now next is, there is only one sound, smile. A, d, a, da, da, d, a, da, k, duck, duck. We will write under short sound. Okay, there is only one vowel, so we will write over here. D, a, k, duck. Next is, in this word, there are two vowels. Though it is double E, we have to count as two vowels. Dash and slash. T, E, N. Teen. T, E. Name of the vowel. Not sound. Name of the vowel. When there are two vowels, we have to read its name, not the sound. Name is E. T, E, N. Teen. We will write under long sound. T, E, N. Teen. Teen. Next, here there are two vowels, O and A, dash and slash. S, O, so, S, O, so, k, soak. S, O, k, soak. S, O, k, soak. Next is only one vowel. We will mark it as smile. How many vowels? One vowel. We will say its sound. M, I, mi, l, mil. M, I, mi, l, mil. We will write this word under short sound. M, I, l, double L. M, I, mi, l, mil. All these words are short sound, only one vowel, so we will read its sound. Rat, soak, ten, duck, mill. Short sound. How many vowels are here in this word? There are two vowels, U and E, dash and slash. Now we will read. D, U, duke, duke, not A, two vowels, so we will read its name, U. D, U, duke, duke. Now we will write this word under long sound. D, U, K, duke. Now we will read all these words, long sound words. Mile, rate, teen, soak, duke. Next is we will copy these sight words twice, 2 times. Remember, sight words, they don't follow any rules. No one vowel, no two vowels. Okay? They are the owners. So they don't follow any rules. We will read them and we will write. Y, O, U, U. Children, repeat after me. Y, O, U, U. Y short sound you remember? E. Y, O, U, U. T, O, 2. 2. T, O, 2. H, A, V, E, have. H, A, V, E, have. H, A, V, E, have. A, R, E, R. A, R, E, R. A, R, E, R. D, O, do. D, O, do. D, O, do. Children, go through this worksheet again and practice it. Thank you.